When you first log into Typing Agent as a standalone single school administrator, you're going to find yourself on a page called your dashboard. So there's a lot of information here. Let's start unpacking all the neat things you can do. First, let's go ahead and look at the left-hand side of your screen here. Here's where you'll see all of the classrooms in your school. If you're not rostering with an outside service like ClassLink or Clever, this is where you're going to see this green plus classroom button where you can add more. At any time, you can click on a classroom to access it. So let's move on to these top buttons over here next to your name. You'll see the dashboard button. So this is where you are now. If you're anywhere in the program and you'd like to come back to this screen, just click that dashboard button and you'll come right back here. Then you've got the curriculum button. Here's where you can go to view all the lessons in all the available curriculums in Typing Agent. So next, you've got this reports drop-down menu. Here, you'll be able to choose to view class-based reports or school-based reports. Lastly, you've got the admin drop-down, where you'll be able to manage your schools, classrooms, individual users, or you can upload more of them. So down below, you'll see this blue Demo Student button right here. This is a really cool feature where you can go in as a student and explore all available curriculums, play all the games, and get the full experience. The best part is, doing this isn't actually going to affect any of your existing students' progress or grades. When you're done, you can come on up here and click to return to admin, and this is going to take you right back here to your dashboard. So moving down, we've got these 4 tabs of your school's weekly averages. So please note that this isn't for the given week, but just the averages over the entire school year per week. The first tab is going to give you a graph of how many minutes per week your school is using Typing Agent by grade and by class. The second tab will give you graphs of how many lessons are being completed on a weekly average. The third tab is a little different, giving the monthly active students. This will give you the graphs of how many students are logging in on a monthly basis by grade and by class. The last tab is going to give you graphical reports of the students' test scores, including their diagnostic tests. Finally, we're going to get your monthly average graph. This is going to show you, month by month, how your school is using the program. Looking at this little legend right up here, we see that the blue bars indicate how many minutes that your students are typing per monthly on average. The dotted lines are going to show, on average, how many students are logging into Typing Agent per month. The green line is going to show the amount of lessons done on a monthly average. If you have any more questions about anything on your dashboard that we haven't answered yet, you can always go to the Solution Center. Come on up here and click the Admin button, not the drop-down, but just click it, and come on over here to your Solution Center. We've got a wide variety of all things pertaining to Typing Agent, and it's always growing with every question asked. But if there's something we haven't answered yet, you can come down here and you can chat with one of us in app. Until then, happy typing!